happening? QT Tucker, we out here Hot Wheel hunting. About to check out this Target. This Target hasn't had anything for a while, which I'm kind of surprised. It's been a couple of weeks as far as any new Hot Wheels. Hopefully you having fun today, Hot Wheel hunting, checking out some videos of mine. Been getting it in pretty good. Let's see what they got. I'll let you know. Uh-oh, they got some boxes up here. Good time to come in the middle of the day. We're about to see. Legos. Monster trucks. Nice. I've never seen this one. Scratch Attack. Pretty cool. '18 Chevy Camaro. The 25 on it. Monster trucks. It's pretty nice. Airplane mode. I didn't know they made it in a monster truck. Propeller and everything. You know it spins. Can't have an airplane without propellers. Propeller spinning. Hot Wheel Demo Derby. Nice, got the graphics on it. These are some new Hot Wheels. I haven't seen these at all. Rambling Wrecker. It's pretty cool. Dragonizer. I have that in the regular Hot Wheel. I wonder if it has any connection. Purple wheels. The Gunkster. Got the Humvee C4T Fastback. 105. The pink, the purple, and the blue. Got the old Bone Shaker. Always nice to see. This is a dented up one. Totaled. New for 2025. It's pretty cool. It's already done some flips. Shark Wreck. Nice. Reek. Shark Reek. Maybe. Dragonizer. Different color. Crush Delivery. Sick. Last but least, really gotta go. Maybe not last but least. Looks like we got that Barbie Corvette. I'm pretty sure that might be nice collectible. I haven't seen these Hot Wheels at all. These are some nice new ones. QT Tucker, monster truck hunting. Peace.